Hello, good evening. It's for Tuesday. Today I'm going to introduce my program on the Kiwi map. That is say showing the map of KivyMD. Of course, I am inspired by the Codemy lecture. I can't remember what is the, but of course I make some improvement. I think it's the lesson 60. Yeah, possibly lesson 60 on the map view. But my version, I think uh, yeah, my version has some improvement. First of all, I show the final result. This is the KVMD version rather than the simple KV version shown by the teacher. And here I got a default is Las Vegas, though I've never been there. I look forward to go there someday. I can make a city name here. I enter Paris, for example. Then we show Paris. I've been there, a beautiful city. And suppose I change to Munich. Then we'll go immediately to München in Deutschland, the Munich in Germany. Okay, so not better. And suppose go back to Asia, to my hometown in Hong Kong. It will show Hong Kong. Suppose that I don't put the city name, I put the latitude of Hong Kong is 22,114. It should also work. Okay, go to Hong Kong now. You see the Hong Kong island, the peninsula, and we cross the border, we go to China. That's a different world. Okay. So now I'm showing you the code. The KB file, I always advocate to separate the logic from the presentation. So normally I use KB file rather than directly everything in Python code. There is the box layout, and then the label, and then the box layout for the input, and then a box. That is important. We have a box here with the map view here, and I got a default to Las Vegas. So you have to do the garden map view in order to use it, and I already installed. That is a necessary step. Perhaps to show this one to show more easily the structure of the KB file. I will have a box, a label here. That is the box label, and another box, a horizontal orientation with 3 input, KivyMD input. It is better than the input in ordinary Kivy file because I don't need to add a label. That is already the hint of. And also the get icon, also available in KivyMD. And here is just a nice small button here to show the map. And this another box with the map view widget. So my key improvement to the Codemy version is that I have in 2 aspects. One is that I determine a city name by Nonian. I don't know how to pronounce that, but anyway, they need a module called COP, Geocodus Nominatum, and this means that we have to install pip3 install GOPY. That's a necessary module. Requirement already satisfied. That's been already done. Okay. So from this, I can enter the city name. The city name is from the text input. Here I got a city name, so I got the location object, then I get the latitude and longitude, and these are in strings, in text, okay? And the label I will show that is showing the name of, for example, Paris and Munich, okay? And then, if I don't enter city name, then I would enter directly into the tool text input, okay? Then if both have values, of course I can put an else here to give some warning, but it's just a simple demonstration. I make it simple. I don't have the else statement here. Then if to clear the widget, and then to clear widget, then you can have add the widget as a new widget with a map view widget here. And it's very important to get a float, convert the text to latitude to longitude. And that's it. Okay, so it's not too complicated, but the result is marvelous. Okay, to end the video, to show you again that the demonstration how to display the map in the KivyMD. Thank you for listening to my channel experience in Python and Kivy and other techniques. In fact, I also owe a lot from the Emacs. In my Emacs, for example, here I have a map view, right? I think a lot of coders, they have the problems, but to convert this, I would make a little demonstration. That's why Emacs is a very good working environment. Suppose I want to copy this map view into the code. You see the great difference. All the colons here will change to equal sign, and I've seen a lot of coders, they always forgot to do that and got an error. It's not nice, but for me, no, sorry, I can't remember. Because I newly made it and no. But anyway, what I mean is that I make a Lisp code and that I highlight here, and I make the Lisp code, maybe there's something wrong here, but anyway, I can convert immediately to the bracket here, and all the colon converted to equal sign automatically. And but also very important to get the colon, a comma at the end. I should like this really works, but unfortunately here that I don't know, maybe something wrong with my I don't know. Here, go back here and I press a shortcut. Okay. Maybe I forgot to. Not anyway, forget it for the moment, but anyway, I'll do that later, show another video perhaps on that. Okay, thank you very much for listening to this sharing experiences, and I hope to talk to you again sometime later.